That's a stupid idea.
Compared to what?
Hey!
Well, we could fly out.
He's right. It's stupid.
How would you do it, James?
With those seagulls. But we'll need string.
Oh, well, I'll just go to the stationer's and pick up some paper clips while I'm at it.
I have string. Miles has string.
And we'll need bait. Bird bait.
Bird bait? Where do you expect we're going to find bird bait out here in the middle of the... Oh, no. Oh, no. Have you lost your minds? Ah! They've lost their minds. Anything but birds.
Don't worry. I'm right here. Now wiggle.
No.
But they won't come if you don't wiggle.
Exactly. And you can't make me.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, hey, not fair! Mockingbirds munched me mother!
Here comes the first one. Get ready to pull down there.
My sisters were swallowed by swallows!
Pull! It worked! I got one!
Shh! I hear teeth. Great, big, gnashing teeth!
Sounds like a rhinoceros!
In the ocean? Scientifically impossible.
I hear something too.
It's a school of tuna. They're being sucked into some sort of machine.
What do you mean?
Take a look.
It's a giant shark!
It seems to have spotted us.
What do we do? What do we do?
Seagulls! It's our only chance!
It would take the whole flock and then some. We'll never do it in time.
We'll use Miss Spider's web for a net. Hurry! Throw it in there, Rick! Wiggle, Mr. Earthworm! Our lives depend on it!
I can't! I'm all wiggled out! Ah!
Here, let me help you.
Come and get it! Get your face on, sweetie!
I got him! Hand me the loot! Hurry!
Shake a leg now. Keep your pants on. I've only got 12 hands.
It's getting closer!
Oh dear.
They're getting away!
Come on, James. Oh, grab them.
Degenerates!
Come on, Seagull!
Put your backs into it.
Shake your blooming tail feathers!
Good, Sharky. Nice, Sharky. Hey! Teach you to mess with me! me, you overgrown sardine. I'm from Brooklyn.
Oh, pure twaddle. Every bug on board displayed extraordinary courage. Why, did you see Miss Ladybug risk life and wing to bash those brutes on the snoot?
Well, they were being very rude. I can't abide rudeness.
We are all forgetting something. Everything we did was part of the brilliant plan of James.
It really did work, didn't it?
I say 3 cheers for James. Hip hip.
Hooray!